Wi-Fi is broken. And next to the lake. Why is it blurry? 10, 30, 50 next to water and the lake. Shower rooms, which are cubicles. So there's no actual changing rooms. And all our laundry. Washing machine, tumble dryer. Everything's in French. And the price goes by what program you want. You have to bring your own detergent. Is there instructions? No instructions, but it tells you what you can wash. These are also showers, but they have no heating, so you use it in the summer. So right now it's winter and there's lots of space available. So it's been raining a lot, and the closer you are to the lake, the easier you are to get stuck in the mud. So she said we can put 2 of the wheels on the path so we don't sink down. You're supposed to put 2 wheels on the road so you can actually leave. This guy's parked all the way across, in our way. So this guy is parked really stupid, so we can't actually park. So since the tap is there and there, technically the grass and mud will get worse. But obviously you can't block this path either, and we want to put out the marquee and the furniture. So this is probably the better spot because you won't get wet. That spot there is also quite good, but that one's reserved. And then we're right in front of the lake. So now we moved here. We can pull this out. So you can find everyone putting their cables for electricity. Look, that man's back. He was parked in our way. Now we have electricity. We already had electricity, but now we have unlimited electricity. We're connected. Hairdryer works. So we set it onto normal. The screen's not working.
More.
Oh, I used to pay water.
But now it's free.
Free water, yay! Toilets. Shower cubicles. And you can put your clothes here. Used to also be paid. You can also swim here. Parked right in front. The parents are eating all the bread and the kids are not eating. We went to check laundry, and now look how all the birds are on our food. What did they eat? They was pecking all of my grapes. Now we have holes in our grapes. Eating my corn, eating my meat. So we have TV connection. You need to connect to Wi-Fi, but we have data, so it's okay. And we have music, which is by Bluetooth. It's the morning now. Looks really nice. And now you can see into the water. It's clearer. So all those birds were eating. Even the little house sparrows are also eating. I gave him a big piece and he's taken ages to eat it.